Happy morning, my dear brothers and sisters. A warm welcome from the floors of Shashwat Academy for the third learning series of Learn as Quick as Much as Possible. Today's topic is Composition Scheme Levy. Let's get into this. Generally, GST consists of two types of levy. One is a normal levy under Section 9 and another one is Composition Scheme Levy under Section 10. These two are basically mutually exclusive. At a time, a trader or any supplier can be governed by either of this, and he cannot be having both of this. In a tax period, if he opts out or comes in, he might have both, but at a time he can be in only one scheme. So let's get into Section 10. Today's topic, we are going to cover the Section 10. Who can opt for composition scheme? Point number 1, a registered person subject to a lot of conditions can opt for composition scheme, but if at all he is opting, he can opt only from the beginning of the financial year. And with respect to a newly registering person, that is, I am starting a new business, I want to register, from the date of registration, I can opt for the composition scheme. And what are all those conditions subject to which a registered person can opt? There are a series of conditions which we have to think about or register in our mind so deep. First one is with respect to turnover, and I am giving a note 1 for that. So let's go to note 1. What is the aggregate turnover limit for the same? Here we go for the aggregate turnover limit. Aggregate turnover with respect to Man UST state. There is an acronym I have formed, which is Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Tripura. 8 states. With respect to this 8, subject to 2 conditions. A person should have registered under Section 25(3) being a voluntary registration, and he should not be manufacturing IPAT, which is a specified goods. Subject to this 2, because these specified goods are basically considered as prohibited goods. Subject to this 2 condition, Man UST state will have a turnover limit of 75 lakhs, meaning thereby if a supplier who is in any of these states subject to this 2 condition, and if he has not exceeded 75 lakhs, he is eligible for composition scheme. Other than this Man UST states, any other states, say Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, the limit subject to which he can offer composition scheme is 1.5 crores. So this is the first turnover limit. So Man UST subject to condition 75 lakhs. Other than Man UST, it is 1.5 crores. And second is with respect to the nature of supply. Which supplier can opt for composition scheme? A manufacturer other than prohibited goods, as we have seen IPAT, which is ice cream, pan masala, tobacco and aerated waters, and subject to this 4, other manufacturers can opt. Service provider, only one service provider who is supplier of food can opt, but one exception is he can be into the business of lending money for which the consideration is interest, which will be ignored for the purpose of entire composition scheme. As such, he has not done that lending business, right? So apart from lending business, only one service provider is eligible who is supplier of food, again subject to the turnover criteria. And trader, apart from this 2, anybody who is buying and selling into this transaction, they can do. What are the other conditions they have to? See, the first restriction with respect to turnover, second restriction with respect to the nature of activity, and there we have seen the restrictions, and the third restriction is other limitation factors, I should say. He cannot, the person who is opting, he should not do any interstate supply. He has to basically restrict his operation only within the state. He cannot do any export. But remember, he can procure from other states, he can import the goods. Restriction is only for outward supply, and he cannot sell his goods using e-commerce operation, and he cannot take input tax credit on the taxes paid on the purchases. And third, next one is he cannot collect any taxes from the customer. He have to pay out of the pocket. And finally, with respect to all the GSTians having the same PAN, who is basically called as distinct person, everybody have to opt for composition scheme, invariable of whose choice it is. If one person is opted, everybody is deemed to be opted. That's the next learning for us, how to opt for the same, because once we satisfy this condition, how we will be opting for the same. If I am already a newly registered person, then Part B I have to intimate in my GST REG1. Part B I have to just tick a box saying that I am intending to opt for composition scheme. However, if I am a registered person, I have to intimate in CMP 02 before the commencement of the financial year, because a registered person can opt for this composition scheme only from the first day of the next financial year. And then after opting that, within 60 days within 90 days he has to file the stocks held with him, because he will be losing the credit. ITC is not eligible. We have seen ITC is not eligible, therefore he has to file the details with respect to the same in CMP 03. And with respect to the ITC quantum, how much ITC is losing, lapsing, that he has to file within 60 days in ITC 03. And intimation with respect to, one intimation is sufficient for all the distinct person in multiple states. So number of states one person is operating and he is having a common PAN in that particular GST. One state, if he is it is sufficient. It is deemed that he is opted in all other states. One centralized intimation is more than sufficient. After going through all this thing, we will ask a question: what is the benefit he is opting for? These are all few mind-blowing benefits this composition scheme supplier is going to enjoy. Lower rate of tax in case of manufacturer, service provider and trader, and I'm giving note 2 for here. What is the lower rate of tax he will be enjoying? Manufacturer have to pay turnover in a state law 1%, and 1% is split between CGST and SGST between 0.5 and 0.5. Service provider who is supplier of food, service provider who is a supplier of food will be doing again turnover. He will be paying a tax on the turnover in a state at rate of 5% without ITC, and which is 2.5%, 2.5% CGST and SGST, and trader will be paying a tax only on the taxable turnover. This is what something different you should understand. When I say turnover in a state, this consists of both taxable and exempt, whereas when it comes to trader, it's a mitigated. Trader will pay tax only on the taxable turnover at 1%, shared between 0.5 and 0.5 central and state, dual taxation system in place. Can this supplier who has opted for composition scheme can come out of the composition scheme? Yes, the last leg of learning. Yes, he can come out voluntarily by filing CMP 04 if he wish, without violating any condition, business decision. Once he violate any of the condition whatever he discussed, again he can come out of the composition scheme, and he has to file within 7 days. He has to file CMP 04. Both the cases the form is same, and once he violate and he is not entitled to be there, but again he is continuing there, proper officer after identifying and giving him a show cause notice in CMP 05 can ask why you should not be thrown out, and a reply needs to be submitted for the same in CMP 06. After considering that, proper officer will confirm. In all the 3 cases, an order confirming exit from the composition scheme will be passed in CMP 07, and within 30 days of CMP 07, this person who is coming out will be entitled to take ITC. He has to file GST ITC 01. This is what in entirety a short sum up about composition scheme supplier, splitting the 5 categories from who is eligible, what are the conditions he has to follow, how he has to opt, what is the benefit, and finally how he can exit. And of this, please remember, most of this area is basically both at interlevel. It's 3 to 5 mark area for your examination. I am hope and trustful this is very useful for your July 2020 examination, because basically I have done this only for the July 2020 examination. Good day my dear. I'll catch up with one more learn as quick as possible as per your request. Wishing you all success.